Stress is a constant in our personal and professional lives and comes in various forms. Eustress, the positive kind, like the excitement of a new job, can be beneficial. Neustress, the neutral kind, such as events that don't affect us, can be harmless. But distress, if left unchecked, can be very dangerous. And over time, it can profoundly impact our hearts, brains, and even our longevity. Understanding this potential danger is crucial for our well-being. Stress is more than a fleeting feeling. It's a complex physiological response that can ripple across nearly every system in our body. Chronic stress impacts work performance, hinders essential brain functions, and increases long-term disease risk. Now picture yourself juggling multiple priorities while feeling on edge. You may find it harder to focus, make more mistakes, or forget important details. That's cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone at work. Chronically high cortisol levels can impair the part of the brain responsible for memory and learning, called the hippocampus. Over time, this damage makes recalling information or learning new skills harder, leading to frustration and productivity gaps. Even more concerning, chronic stress can physically shrink the hippocampus, and this brain damage is visible on MRI scans. Another vital region of the brain that can shrink due to prolonged stress is the brain's thinking center, the prefrontal cortex. Responsible for decision-making, problem-solving, and creativity, this area also suffers when stress interferes with the nerve connections, making it difficult to think clearly, organize our thoughts, and process information. Once manageable tasks may now seem overwhelming, concentration slips and errors become more common. Naturally, chronic stress can significantly impact your job performance and career trajectory. Perhaps more concerning, stress dulls our creativity, a critical skill for brainstorming fresh ideas and examining challenges from new angles. Chronic stress leaves us feeling stuck, blocking the flow of creative thought that fuels industries like marketing, product development, and entrepreneurship. But stress doesn't just affect our creativity, it also influences our decision-making. When stress grips the prefrontal cortex, we may react impulsively, making snap decisions or doubting our choices. This can be incredibly challenging for leaders who must maintain composure and make firm decisions under pressure. Chronic stress can even cause one to lose sight of the bigger picture and get caught up in the minutiae. Stress reduces our adaptability, a core function of the prefrontal cortex. In fast-paced workplaces, flexibility is vital. When stress compromises our adaptability, we become rigid. We're not receptive to constructive feedback, and we may be unable to find solutions when the old ones don't work anymore. Managers, team leaders, and entrepreneurs under constant stress may notice the brain processing shifting, making it harder to inspire, motivate, and guide others effectively. But there is more. Chronic stress also damages the emotional hub of our brain, the amygdala. When we're under prolonged stress, the amygdala becomes hyperactive, resulting in mood swings, anxiety, irritability, and even emotional outbursts. This can hinder our ability to work well in teams, accept constructive feedback, and stay calm under pressure, potentially triggering a self-perpetuating cycle of stress. Prolonged stress impacts cognitive ability and increases inflammation in the brain, which is a known contributor to dementia and accelerated aging. The silver lining? By actively managing stress, we can protect our brains, preserve essential cognitive skills, and even support long-term brain health.